Welcome everyone to Kids Academy of Advanced Periodontology, Karpaga Vinayaka Institute of Dental Sciences. Loss of periodontal tissues between the cemento-enamel junction and the junctional epithelium is termed as clinical attachment loss. The measurement of clinical attachment loss is the most important criteria in the diagnosis of periodontitis, as probing depth alone does not indicate true attachment loss. For example, in this case of pseudopocket, although the probing pocket depth is around 6 mm, there is no actual loss of attachment. Now we can clearly see that the base of the pocket is coronal to the CEJ, indicating no attachment loss. Whereas, in case of periodontal pocket, the same probing depth of 6 mm inculcates true attachment loss. See, here we can appreciate the base of the pocket is well below the CEJ, indicating attachment loss. Now, let us see how to measure clinical attachment loss. The reference point for measuring clinical attachment loss: point A, gingival margin; point B, cemento-enamel junction; and point C, junctional epithelium. In case of true pocket and gingival overgrowth, where the gingival margin is coronal to the cemento-enamel junction, the clinical attachment loss is calculated by the following method. First, the distance from the gingival margin, that is point A, to the junctional epithelium, that is point C, is measured, which is 6 mm in this instance. Then, we need to find the distance from the gingival margin, that is point A, to the cemento-enamel junction, that is point B. As the cemento-enamel junction is not visible due to the gingival coverage, we need to run the periodontal probe along the long axis of the tooth till the demarcation of the cemento-enamel junction is felt. See, here we can feel the CEJ. Now, the probe is stopped near CEJ and the distance from gingival margin to CEJ is recorded. Here, in this case, it is 1 mm. The second value, that is 1 mm, is subtracted from the first value, that is 6 mm, to obtain the clinical attachment loss, which is 5 mm. Now, let us see the calculation of clinical attachment loss in case of gingival recession. The distance from the cemento-enamel junction, that is point B, to the gingival margin, that is point A, is measured as 5 mm in this case. Then, distance from the gingival margin, that is point A, to the junctional epithelium, that is point C, is measured. It is 3 mm in this case. To obtain clinical attachment loss, both the measurements are added, that is 5 plus 3 equals 8. Hence, while calculating clinical attachment loss, in case of gingival overgrowth, the subtractive formula is used, while in case of gingival recession, additive formula is used.